Frank with Stonelink Property Management. We're here at 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 230, Providence, Rhode Island. Second floor, luxury studio loft for rent. Starting your video tour right when you walk in. To my right, you get a big closet there. Hardwood flooring, high ceilings, big windows for plenty of natural light. You got mini splits on the walls, ceiling fans. Very big open space. All utilities are included. Refrigerator, countertop and cabinet space, built-in microwave, electric stove top, no oven. To my left of the kitchen, get the bathroom with a shower, new vanity. Plenty of room here, 1,000 square feet. Could fit a full kitchen set, full living room set, and a bedroom. I'd like to apply for 91 Hartford Avenue, Unit 230, Providence, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.